Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little small haul from a little combination of stuff. Not much of, just a little bit from everywhere. Just a couple of items from the Dollar Tree, some stickers. And this one is How to Garden Grow. And the little 3D stickers. And then this one is a Get Well one. I just thought that was kind of cute to make some cards or something out of. And I also got just a little kickstand for the back of my cell phone. I was on Tuesday morning. This is just a sidebar one. This is not crafty, but I'm going to try this. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's been out for a while. But the brush is a ceramic brush, and you can brush your hair, and it's supposed to make it straight and dry it all at the same time. So I just want to see how that works. My coworker was using it. She said she liked it. So I don't know. I just thought, you know, it might be nice. So it was $19.99. In case you're interested, it's $1902449. All right. They have a lot of stuff on clearance because they're moving stock quicker. So just check in the back. Every store is different. Like this store had this paper pad, 20% off. The other store didn't. Actually, the other two stores I went to didn't, but this one did. And this is an old paper line. This was from August of 17. And I know I have a 6x6 in this. Unless I gave it to somebody, because I think I might have blessed somebody with the 6x6. But I know I still have my ephemera pack because I was just looking through some of my ephemera. But I cannot find my 6x6. But I don't remember giving it away. And I have all my 6x6s together and I don't seem to see it. But I had wanted to make something with it. So I went on and got this and it was on clearance. So Miss Amy Tangerine. And I forgot the name of this one. I don't know. I'm not the best at remembering names of paper pads, but anyway. Kind of that retro feel with the cassettes and different stuff like that. And the glasses and different stuff, but anyway. That was that one. And picked these two with my friend. She wanted some. I have some Maggie Home papers. She wanted some. This is confetti. They had the confetti, they had gathering, they had bloom. They didn't have flourish, I don't think. They had open book. And I posted them on Instagram. They had about 6 different ones. So she let me use her papers in this video. And anyway, so this is confetti and it is $1952323 $6.99. Of course, she's too scared to get her own Instagram. Her own YouTube channel, and I'm sitting there telling her go ahead and do it because she's an awesome crafter. But she's sitting right here, won't get on the screen. It is, oh, it's so dark, gosh. And then this one is Shine, and it is 1890400. So if you're into Maggie Holmes, like I said, they had about 6 of her paper pads right now. And then I did hold some of her tags and the puffy stickers and stuff, but they don't have that much of her ephemera. Also went to Joann's. My Joann's, you know, they finally just got the Park Lane, you know, cards and embossing folders. They're on sale this week. Buy one, get one free. And they're about $6, so you can get 2 for $6. So they had all of the Doris ones on clearance, and they are like $2.49. But we still do not have the stickers. We don't have the Fisker punches, the new ones and stuff. So it's been a minute. So I don't know how long it's going to take for them to get all this stuff. But anyway, I did went to go check. I only went to one of them. And because they're so spread out. We don't have a lot of Joann's, but they spread out different directions. That was on sale 40% off. So I just needed some extra. I just got some extra blades just to have. There's some glossy accents on sale for $3.47 on clearance rather. So I got that, and these are on clearance as well. Just some red bling for $1 each. That stamp set. My lighting is so terrible late at night. I think the way I got this camera set up. That's it. I love black, white, and red. They're my colors, and gray. And some of those, they were all $1 each. And then when I was at checkout, oh my goodness, I saw this calendar and I was like, OMG, I am going to fussy cut out this calendar. And You know, I used a coupon on it, 55% off. I think it was $7.99 with 55% off, whatever that is. So 8 times 45, whatever. So I think I paid $3.50 something. I don't know. Anyway, these are the images. I'm just gonna flip through it real quick. But you know, I used to. Well, shoot, can you see it? Let me go back this way. My camera is so low. But these images are just so pretty. So this starts with July, because this just came in. This is actually starting with July of this year. So this is a new calendar, because they were like, I didn't even know we had one. So this doesn't start until the summer. But look at these images. I'm just like, oh. And they have the paper doll kits. They have the calendars. They have the keychains. But like, look at that. Oh my goodness. But you gotta have a figure to go with these dresses as well. They're not gonna look good on certain figures. But I like to see them. So I don't even know what I'm going to do with it, but it won't be used for a regular calendar. I know that much. I just thought fussy cutting. That's all I could see. When I saw that, I said, oh, I need that because I'm going to do something with it. I don't know what. But only one black chicken, the whole thing. Oh. One. And of course no Asian women, but it's just unfortunate. But most of them look like Simplicity. Oh yeah, they all are Simplicity. I was gonna say, like, I remember like seeing the patterns and stuff. So that's in a nutshell. So even these right here can be used like on some ATCs, some inch. Actually, these are about 2 inches. These could be used on some 20s. Yeah, so some ATCs, some Rolodex. This page right here. But of course that means can't have access to that one, so I don't know. I had to figure that one out. I hate when you have something on the other side and you want to cut it out. But anyway, I like that. So I had to get it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.